Hip-hop beats, they make my body move. Street style vibes, gotta bust a groove. Creativity flows in every stitch you see. My brand on the rise, it's a fashion treat. Happy and free, my brand's on the rise. I'm living my passion, no need to disguise. In the hip-hop game, I'm making my mark. Streetwear design, straight from the heart.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to design streetwear clothes using Canva for your unique brand. Are you looking to create eye-catching streetwear designs that will set your brand apart from the rest? Look no further. Canva is the perfect tool for you. First, let's start by opening Canva and selecting clothing design templates from the extensive library. Here, you'll find a wide range of styles to choose from, whether it's hoodies, t-shirts, or jackets. Next, it's time to unleash your creativity. Canva provides an array of design elements like fonts, shapes, and images that will help you create your signature streetwear look. Mix and match these elements to craft something truly unique. Don't forget to customize colors and add your brand logo. This is your chance to establish a strong identity for your streetwear brand. Make it memorable. Once your design is complete, take advantage of Canva's tools to refine and perfect it. Adjust the layout, play around with different text styles, and make sure everything is just right. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download and share it with the world. Canva effortlessly generates high-quality, print-ready files, ensuring your streetwear design looks stunning on actual clothing. Now that you know how to design streetwear clothes using Canva, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity flow and create a brand that stands out from the crowd.
Style was flawless to me. I'm rocking the threads, turn the heads on that every street. Woo! I'm feeling fly, I'm feeling so cool. My creativity ain't nobody can do. I'm busting out rhymes, speaking fire with flow. My streetwear design is the talk of the show. Hip-hop beats, they make my body move. Street style vibes, gotta bust a groove. Creativity flows in every stitch you see. My brand on the rise, it's a fashion treat. Happy and free, my brand's on the rise. I'm living my passion, no need to disguise. In the hip-hop game, I'm making my mark. Streetwear design, straight from the heart.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on designing streetwear clothes with Canva. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest design tips and tutorials.